Understanding Audio Recording, a Beginner's Guide. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we'll be diving into the meaning and usage of the phrase, audio recording. This is a common phrase in English, especially in the digital age, and understanding it can be really useful. So, let's get started. Audio recording refers to the process of capturing sound, usually using a device like a microphone, and storing it in a digital or analog format. This can include voices, music, or any other type of sound. The key components of audio recording are sound capture and storage. Audio recordings come in various forms. Some common types include voice memos, short recordings of someone's voice, often used for reminders. Podcasts, longer-form audio discussing various topics. Music recordings, songs or musical pieces recorded in studios. Field recordings, capturing natural sounds or environmental noises. Audio recordings have many practical uses. Education, for language learning, lectures, or tutorials. Entertainment, in music, podcasts, and audiobooks. Professional, in journalism, for interviews or reporting. Personal, keeping memories, like a child's first words. Making an audio recording is simple. 1. Choose a device, a smartphone, a digital recorder, or a computer. 2. Select a recording app or software. 3. Find a quiet environment to ensure clear sound quality. 4. Press record, speak or capture the sound, and then stop the recording. 5. Save and label your recording for easy access later. To improve the quality of your recordings, use a good quality microphone. Record in a quiet and controlled environment. Experiment with different microphone placements. Use editing software to enhance the final audio. We hope this video has helped you understand the concept of audio recording. Remember, it's a versatile tool that can be used in many aspects of daily life. Keep practicing your English, and don't hesitate to experiment with making your own audio recordings. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.